Mabuhay SBR Nation, we are here today with a giant in the multisport community here in the Philippines. He is the president of Triathlon Philippines and the senior vice president of Asia Triathlon and the architect of the dominant era of Philippine triathlon. We are honored to be joined today by Mr. Tom Carrasco. Sir Tom, thank you and welcome to the show. Thank you for joining us.
Magandang umaga, Carlos. Mr. SBR, I'm happy to be with you here.
Yes, sir. You are our first guest. And so, Sir Tom, we are just days away from Subic Bay International Triathlon, the 33rd. Ayan, and which is now also the Asia Triathlon Junior Cup. What are our specific podium targets for our national training pool? Specifically sila Raven and Andrew Kimre Merlino. Meron bang pinaglalabanan dito, sir?
Actually, this is part of the long-term process. We're qualifying for our main objective is to qualify to the Olympics. We have our first Olympian in triathlon. As of now, let me just run through where these people are. Yung ating tier 1, ano? Para mas malinaw.
Yeah.
Kim Robang is now in the USA under Coach Danilo Pimentel's squad, no? Of course, what she'll do is to earn points through participation in the America's Cup, not in the Asia Cup.
Okay.
She prefers the environment in the USA, in the Americas, no? Now, Fer Casares is training with his squad in Madrid, yung kanyang home squad, and will campaign in the Euro Cups, and mainly in Spain and Portugal.
Okay.
Raven Alcoseba, after she'll do the Asian sprints, the Subit, and after that she'll go into serious training camp in China with the Brett Sutton
Oh, wow.
system, no?
Okay.
Nagtabi na kami ng resources talagang binabudget namin no?
Oo.
Kim Remolino, we still have to talk with him about his plans kasi si Raven kagagraduate lang no? So she's now full-time. And during the time of Elsie Langit and Nico Welgas, tinapos muna yung college And the World Triathlon Protocol encourages athletes, especially international athletes, to finish their education, basic education first, and then go into full-time pro activities, no? Si Kim Remolino, we still have to talk to him after Subit. So over the weekend, after that, I'll talk to him kung kailan siya makakagraduate, may time na siya, no? Kira Ellis is gradually recovering from an ACL. Minor tear lang naman. And she should go back to her training camp after Subit or early June, no? She'll be training in Portugal also, not under a new coach, a new camp, a new squad connected by Doray Ellis, no?
Oh, okay.
Si Aro Ramos, our youngest guy, is now in a camp in Japan, no? So lahat sila nasa labas. This is the tier 1. Yung tier 2, we have lined up series of events, no? And they will be sent. We'll send a big group to Kampar in Malaysia. That's come June. Of course, after Subit, we will have the Asia Cup in Osaka, May 30. Then in Tamchuk, I'll send the team of Coach Melvin Fausto for the duathlon.
Wow.
And then in Sochu, China, in mid-June, Coach Doray will lead a team of 3. Si Raven, si Dash Ramos. Oh, I forgot the other one. Oh, Diego, the young guy. Yung aming bago. So in our national team pool or NTP, we have 25 athletes. We just replaced 5, and the new 5 incoming 5 members are the young ones, Diego, who is 15, Diego Di Mayuga, 2 duathletes from Pangasinan, Rubino Javier. This is the young guy, anak to ni Rubino Javier dati.
Oo.
And then si Hechanova. And then we have 2 young ladies, Ichang Kaluya and Christy Perez of Cebu. So 5 mga bago yan na nagpalit na kami ng mga 5 medyo hindi nag-perform, so we had to replace them. Ganun yan, tuloy-tuloy ang development natin no?
Oo nga Sir Tom, napansin namin some athletes join T100 And magiging ano ba 'to, magiging regular ba 'to of our athletes joining international competitions? And kung
T100 kasi is the long distance version of World Triathlon, ano?
yes,
Sanctioned by World Triathlon. Actually, side events lang isnalihan namin eh, duathlon lang.
yeah.
They have the big race, yung elite race nila on Saturday, and then Sunday, yung mga at duathlon standard and long distance, aquathlon standard long distance, triathlon standard long distance. So sa side events lang kami because this is an opportunity for our, the young sinasanay natin yung mga bagong duathletes natin eh. We have a
Mhm.
young star in the name of Franklin Yee, ah.
Yeah.
Napakalakas tong bata to, tsaka si Maynard, no?
Mhm.
Pekson of Baguio.
Yeah.
We want and Mary Joy True pag gusto natin, the exposure and para masanay eh. Kasi
Mm.
mararamdaman mo medyo kinakabahan sa gabi, hindi makatulog, ano? And we would like our national athletes to be bull strong, especially tsaka ano sila, dapat matibay ang dibdib, ano? So
Yeah.
that's what we do with T100. Not for the long distance T100 event, but for the side events. And we take that opportunity kasi they can mingle with the stars din eh. They see them at the race pack releases, some mix zone, and we'd like our athletes to be involved and engaged
Yeah.
that way with the big. And I'm happy that the Sports Commission is supporting us together with Senator Pia in her Pinay in Action group, and we're happy that I'm happy, super happy about that. Consistent supporter sila. Eh.
Lalo si Senator Pia. Ayan. Sir,
Yeah. She
yung
used to be part of the national duathlon team in her
oh, wow. Okay.
younger days. Oh, national team yan, duathlon.
And sir, Trap has always led the way in system building ever since naman Trap talaga yung architect ng triathlon here in the Philippines. Can you update us on the latest, yung ano nangyayari sa Cebu, yung mga programs natin for the grassroots and also yung mga gusto maging coach doon, may mga coaching certification programs ba tayo?
Tuloy-tuloy tayo dyan under the sports development program of the World Triathlon and the Asian Federation. Ano? We have certification courses for our technical officials, level 1 to level 3. Free yan, ha? Free.
Okay.
Ang puhunan lang dyan siguro ng ang equity lang ng ating aspirants to become technical officials international with accreditation international, yung kanilang pamasahe.
Oo.
No?
Oh,
But when you go there, yung board and lodging mo libre, the course itself is free. No?
wow.
That's the same with the coaching course. No? The next one, level 1, level 2 will be in Korea. And there's a program, actually, I can share with you the program of we call it under the education hub of the World Triathlon. It's there in the website of WT. Pwede mo silipin yun sa education hub.
Okay.
All program we are part of that because we're in good terms. We're under good membership standing. So tuloy-tuloy and I'm very active. I'm consulted by even himself by the on a personal basis by the World Triathlon Federation president. We talk to each other once in a while and talk about this program, especially in Asia. Pag Asia, ako tatawagan niya.
Okay. Sir, may
So
share.
tuloy-tuloy ang program na yan, free yan, free ang course. So but they have, of course, there are obligations.
Yeah,
They have to serve naman siguro
as technical, no?
and not only in technical officials but also open to the Asia Cup. They can officiate in Malaysia, Singapore, or Uzbekistan, anywhere they prefer to. We have West Asia-based Filipinos na si John Bonalos na nasa Qatar na ngayon, ano. We have a lot of we help be accredited and enrolled in the technical courses by the World Triathlon. Nakatulong na tayo, marami ng mga Pinoy na technical officials doon. And they're leading the way in Qatar. Si John is always called.
Oo. Yeah. Okay, sir. May share ka sa aking certificate from World Triathlon in our chat regarding Hyathlon and Swimrun, officially now under the Federation's roadmap. Ano, sir, yung magiging testing nito, yung tryout process, what will it be like may for the national team? Parang ano yung mangyayari? Parang may iba yung demographics natin na 'to.
Yeah, it's really a long process. Well, not really long. Actually, I asked the same question to our president, Antonio Rimani of the World Triathlon.
Yeah.
And he said, I'll send you first the certificate kasi parang naunahan natin siya. No? Anyway, he said he'll be making a presentation for the guidelines, selection process of the national team,
Yeah.
sanctioning process, and what do you call this? Training of technical and coaches, under the Hyathlon High Rocks and Swim Run platform.
Yeah.
May 30, he'll be guesting in our Asian Federation Congress, annual Congress in Osaka, Japan.
Oh.
And he will make the presentation. Ginagawa pa lang nila. Nauna tayo. Nauna ka magtanong. Nauna rin ako magtanong about this. Nabigla nga siya kasi when I told him, I wrote sinulatan ko ng POC tsaka ang PSC about yung High Rocks, Hyathlon. Sabi niya, that's very good. You're ahead. I'll be making my presentation in May 30 in the AST o Asian Triathlon Congress. So,
Okay.
pwede kang maglagi na, bibigyan kita ng link para madinig mo yung presentation niya.
Please.
I-link natin dito sa SBR mo.
Sir, last question. Ito yung mga inaabangan ng lahat. Is High Rocks finally coming here in Manila, in the Philippines? Through the backing of PSC and DOT, syempre, of course.
Well, Senator Cayetano has converted her gym in BGC into a High Rocks gym, no?
Okay.
We are. There's a talk between SBMA, represented by Melvin Fausto. You can talk to Melvin about this. Okay. And there's a big one, the big gym na gustong mag-organize. Kasi parang yung sa, if you're familiar with the SBEEC, yung convention center ng ng Subic, tamang-tama yun eh. Di ba yung laking yun?
Oo.
Tapos may 1K, pwedeng tumakbo na 1K sa labas.
Yeah. Usually,
of course, we need the equipment.
Yeah.
Kailangan na equipment. Specific 8 sets of equipment, di ba? 8 ano yun eh. 1K run, and then station 1, station 2, up to station 8. Maraming gumagalaw. Ang kailangan ko lang siguro yung guidelines na ibibigay ng World Triathlon. But there are moves already. The equipment, may bumili na raw eh. It should be specific to high rocks or Hyathlon. May in the coming weeks or months, maybe after May 30, we will have the guidelines already.
Okay. So safe to say, sir, by next year, 2027, meron ng High Rocks here? Hypothetical.
Gagawa na tayo, siyempre. Kasama SBR dyan.
Ayan, siyempre. Video partner. Okay, sir. So, Sir Tom, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Good morning. And thank you for joining us. Sir. See you.
Maraming salamat din for the opportunity at mabuhay ang SBR. Thank you.
That's it for the SBR Show. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join the community at swimbikeRun.ph. This has been Carlos. Keep moving, and we'll see you at the transition.